Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Choosing a suitable code editor is crucial for efficient and enjoyable programming. In the Linux environment, there are several excellent options available. In this tutorial, we'll explore the setup and usage of Visual Studio Code, a popular and feature-rich code editor, on a Linux system. Visual Studio Code, commonly known as vscode, is a free, open-source code editor developed by Microsoft. Before you can start using Visual Studio Code, you need to install it on your Linux system. The following steps are generalized and may vary depending on your Linux distribution. For other distributions, you can refer to the official Visual Studio Code documentation. Once installed, you can open Visual Studio Code from the application menu or by typing code in the terminal. Visual Studio Code provides extensions that enhance its functionality. To enable Python development, you need to install the Python extension. Open the extensions view by clicking on the extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of the window, or press ctrl+shift+x. Search for Python and install the one provided by Microsoft. Now that we have Visual Studio Code set up for Python development, let's create a simple Python file. Open the newly created hello_world.py file and write a simple Python program. For example, to run the Python code within Visual Studio Code. Congratulations! You have successfully set up Visual Studio Code for Python development on your Linux system and written and run your first Python program. Feel free to explore more features of Visual Studio Code and customize it according to your preferences. Happy coding! ChatGPT